Hi guys, my name is Bria and I do beauty videos in sign language. Today I want to talk to you about nude lipstick. I think with the way things are going for 2019 that a lot of people are going to be buying nude lipstick because I think the natural look is going to be big this year. So if you watched any of my videos before, you already know that my favorite nude lipstick is from Wet n Wild. It's called Bare It All. And it's just that perfect undertone that can go with any look you're going for. So if you're going for a warm tone or a cool tone look. This lipstick, the packaging is really bad, but it costs the same amount of money as a coffee. So the next one I'm going to talk about is actually a new favorite, and that is Glossy Fawn by L'Oreal. It's part of their Color Riche Shine collection. I actually have that on my lips right now, and my lips look so, like they were dry yesterday. Like they were cracking, they were gross. I didn't want to look at them. I didn't feel good about my lips yesterday, but when I put this on, it actually made my lips look healthy and fresh. It just looks shiny and just so good. I love it. So my next lipstick I'm going to talk about is actually a gloss from Colourpop, and it's called Moonchild. It has a teeny little bit of sparkle in it, and it's a very light colored nude. I wore it on like a daily basis for a long time. I like it because you can wear it by itself or you can put it on top of another lipstick. The next nude lip I want to talk about is from E.L.F. and it comes in a set of 4, but I'm not really sure if you can buy it online by itself. It's called Praline and it's a little bit of a darker nude. I like it because it feels more like a lip liner, like a really creamy lip liner. So you can actually use it as a lip liner instead of just a lipstick and put something else on top of that. So the last lipstick I'm going to talk about is from L'Oreal, and it's part of their Infallible collection, their matte lips. And I think it's the best matte lip formula that's out there. So that's a little bit of a warm nude, so I can't really wear it if I have a cool tone eyeshadow on. It's never really let me down. Like if you put this on, it's gonna stay. It will stay all day long. I let my mom borrow it once, and she slept over at my sister's house, and in the morning it was still on her lips because she forgot to take it off, but she slept with her lipstick on and it stayed. You just have to be careful when applying it because once you put it on, it will stay where you put it. So just be careful and go slow and take your time. like and subscribe for more beauty videos in sign language. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!